Jamaican long jumper Carey McLeod, the bronze medalist from the 2024 World Indoor Championships, has been slapped with a 2-year ban by the Athletics Integrity Unit (AIU) for committing 3 whereabouts rule violations within a 12-month period. The suspension for the two-time national champion, which started on May 28, is set to end on May 27, 2028, just over 6 weeks before the Los Angeles Olympic Games. According to the AIU, McLeod recorded a missed test and filing failure on June 30, 2025, another filing failure on August 9, 2025, and a further missed test and filing failure on May 1, 2026. The AIU says it issued the athlete with a notice of allegation on May 28, 2026 and imposed a provisional suspension with immediate effect. And McLeod, who placed 4th at the 2023 Budapest World Championships, subsequently admitted to the anti-doping rule violation and accepted the sanctions handed down by the AIU. The decision was published by the AIU on May 29, with the athlete waiving his right to a disciplinary hearing.